Is your PC slow or have unwanted software on it? I will show you the best way to debloat Windows 11. Stick around. First thing will need is Winhance. I'll have the download link in the description. So after you download it, we're going to install it. So we're going to open Winhance. Here you can do install for all users or install for me only. I'm going to click on install for me only. You're going to accept the agreement. Now here I'm going to install the portable installation because I don't want the full installation because I can just delete the folder and be done after I'm done using it. Next, install. Okay, we're going to launch it. Okay, so you get a brand new computer from Dell or a brand new computer from Best Buy. It's going to have a lot of software that you don't want, correct? You're going to have free trials of antiviruses. So here we're going to go through software and apps, which is your big one. Green dots mean they are installed. Check marks mean you can reinstall it. Okay, so easy enough. You just click on it and then go up here and install the items. So if they're grayed out, that means they're not installed. Okay, and you can go down. There's a list here. Recall is a big one. Here it's not installed. If it was, like I said, check it. Uninstall items. So all you got to do is check whatever you want to uninstall and then click on uninstall selected items. Now here you can click on external software and it'll have a list of external software you can install. There's a lot of them. Okay, so next we're going to go over optimization. Okay, so let's click on Optimize. Here we're going to go and take a look at privacy and security. You notice everything here is listed and it's in categories as well. If you hover over the green star, it'll say set to recommended. Here it says never to notify. It'll let you know what to set it on, and if you want to, you can set it to whatever it recommends. Okay, so you got BitLocker auto encryption. You want to have that off. Don't use BitLocker. You don't need BitLocker on. So as you can see, there's a lot of features you can control. A lot of options to choose from. Okay, next we're going to click here and look at power. Here, it's a lot of power settings. Up here, you can have it's the wireless adapter settings, the desktop background settings. Okay, so instead of going into your computer or Windows 11 and trying to find these settings, this software does it for you. All right, so we're going to click here and we're going to go to gaming and performance. Okay, so same thing. You can configure pretty much anything that you want. Okay, so if you're a gamer and you want better FPS, this is the section to go to. All right, so let's go to the next one. Update. This is your Windows update. Same thing. You can turn off and on settings. Windows update policy. So you can there's one setting that I want to take a look at. Here you want to receive updates for other Microsoft products. You want that off. You do not want to turn on driver. You want to actually driver updates. You want to turn that off. You don't want that on. You want to actually, if you want driver updates, you want to go to the manufacturers of your device. So like say if you have a video card, you want to go to the manufacturer's website and download the latest driver update. You don't want Windows Update to do that. All right, so that's update. Notifications sounds basic. You can look through those. Okay, next we're going to talk about Customize. All right, so let's click on Customize. We got Windows theme. You can change the theme. Let's take a look at that. There's only two settings here. Choose your mode, light mode, dark mode. We're not going to apply that. All right, so here, taskbar. There's some settings for a taskbar. You can actually turn off Copilot PWA pen. You got start menu. bunch of start menu features you can turn off and on. Explorer as well. Okay, a lot of stuff you can use this software for. Now, if your PC is still slow, check out this video. It might fix your issue in 30 seconds. And be sure to like and subscribe. Stay savvy. Peace.